Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a video on GALA Coin. I thought I had done it before, but I guess not. So we'll take a look at some potential entries, some potential exits. I see some good potential profits there to be made. So I'm going to take a look at the charts and I'll share what I see with you guys. Remember, this isn't advice. This is just my opinion on what I'm seeing. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I let you guys know when I'm going to jump in, when I'm going to jump out. I document it on a video. And then once it swings back up and it hits that point, I document it again so you guys can see that I'm actually making money, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, you're going to want to subscribe within the next 5 minutes. So you can either do it right now, click on the little icon down here below and the little tiny one down here, and then smack that bell when it pops up. But if you don't do it now, you'll probably do it in a few minutes because what I'm about to show you, I think you haven't seen this before, okay? I'm not going to waste your time. But anyway, look at the backdrop on this background here. Wouldn't you love to have a house like that with a view like that over a lake? I mean, wow. So that's my inspiration for doing well on crypto. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, today's the 26th of February, 2022. Here's GALA Coin. Just a couple quick things here. I'm using TradingView platform. I analyze my stocks and my crypto on here. Oh, hold on. Let me close the blinds. Got somebody walking around outside. Okay. But I do have a link for a 30-day free trial down below in the description. Just click the see more text link. Okay, one more thing also before I talk about the chart here. A lot of you guys are asking me for me to do videos on coins that you're stuck in. You're wanting to see kind of what's going on. So keep doing that. Let me know down in the comments below. You can let me know what coin you're in or what stock you're in and what price you bought in at. And then I'll look at it and maybe I'll do a video so that you guys can get an analysis to see where you are within the grid system of kind of how I work, okay? And if you're new to this, you'll understand it in just a moment. But I did create an account over on Instagram. It's called Investing Points. Please go over there and follow me. Just go over there and search my name, my username there and click follow. If I can't do a full-on 8-minute video, I'll just do a quick 1 minute and I'll post it over here so that you can see it and you guys can keep moving and jumping into trades. Okay, let's get back over here. Okay, so let me explain this real quick for those of you guys that are new. What happens is when I draw these bases on these charts, more often than not, the price action, when it drops below those bases, it's going to come back and it's going to swing back and hit that line again. It's just a matter of waiting. It's a waiting game. When these drop, they like to shake everybody off and make everybody want to sell. But if you hold, more often than not, you can still make profit, okay? So let me give you some examples here real quick. There's a base right there. It broke, it shot down. A lot of people were probably selling in here. And then it came back up and it touched that base again, okay? But then it would have hit it again over here, okay? So it dropped a couple times, everyone's selling, everyone's freaking out, and then all of a sudden it came back up and over here, everyone's still freaking out because they sold and they lost all their money. I've done it too. Not so much recently though, not probably really within the last 8 months. Okay, here we go. Here's another one, broke it, came back up, but it also came back over here. Here's another little one, broke it, swung back up, okay? Here's another one, broke it, swung back up right there, hit it again right there. Here's another base. It broke it. Everyone's freaking out. Everyone's selling. And then what did it do? It came right back up over here. And it came back up right over here on this one. And over here, there's a couple little ones. Little one there, came back up. Little one over there, came back up. And this one right here broke, came back up. This one broke, and then came back up right over here. So if you haven't seen this before, and this is something you're like, oh, this is pretty interesting, I maybe need to look at it a little bit closer, please look down below the video right now. There's a thumbs up icon. It's a little bit to the right of the center of the screen. And just smack it if you can with your mouse. Give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys are interested in what I'm providing you. It also helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, okay? And it doesn't cost you guys anything. All right, so get a pen. I'm going to give you guys some entries and exits that I could take. And you guys can do your own analysis. Remember, this isn't advice. This is just me, what I'm seeing in trends. So get a pen and write this down, okay? So let me explain what we're looking at here. All right. So over here, it cracked, right? It has not swung back up. So on a long-term hold, this broke over here on January 2nd. We are now entering into March almost. So it could take a couple months. It could come back really quick. But you need to be prepared to hold if you're going to choose an exit part right here, an exit point right here, okay, at 0.45, 45 cents, okay? But I see options right here because remember, it's cracking and it's going back up. It's cracking and it's going back up. So here's what I see. I see the ability for me today, even though it's down a little bit, I don't really worry about that. You can if you want. If it was a stock, I would be. But for crypto, because it moves so slow, anyway, I could jump in right here at the almost 25 cent mark, and I could ride it all the way up. Or If I don't want to wait as long as what this could potentially be, I will pick a profit point somewhere in here. So write this down. Here's one right here, 27 cents. The next profit point I see is 28 cents. The next profit point I see is 31 cents. And then you could pick any point kind of going up the ranks here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be that. It could be somewhere in between. So you could say 34 cents. You could say 36 cents, 38 cents, 40, 43, and ultimately back up here to the 0.45. It could drop lower, but ultimately it's going to swing back up. So if it drops right now below the 25 cents, it's going to come back up and touch that line. That's my strong belief that it's going to come back up and hit that line. So if it drops down here, it's going to come back up and hit that point first. Okay. So these are some things just to think about. It's all about where you are within the chart, when you enter and when you exit. Before, you guys are probably looking at charts and going, I'm going to jump in. I feel good. I feel like it's going to go up. I'm going to jump in. I'm looking at the, the multiple SMA line. I'm looking at the Ichimoku Cloud. I'm looking at all sorts of other trends, the Fibonacci, the SMA crossover. I'm doing all that, but it doesn't have to be that difficult. You can use those. I still use them, but it doesn't have to be that difficult. So if you guys found this interesting, if you found this helpful, please thumbs up down below before you leave. Also, subscribe, because some of you guys didn't subscribe. I know who you are, but you're going to want to subscribe now, right? You're going to want to put a comment down below and let me know what other coins you're stuck in on so that you can see where you are within this graph of what's going on, right? And remember to join my Instagram channel, Investing Points. And for those of you guys that are new or have been watching me for a while, you can jump off if you want. For those of you guys that are new, I'm going to show you just a couple things. Here's my channel. Let me get my channel right here, YouTube. If you click on my username when this video is over with, you can click on it. You'll see some of my recent videos. If you click on videos tab, you'll see all my videos. And you'll see as soon as these take profit, I start doing videos on it. Took profit, 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 took profit. See? And all these will come swinging around. It's just that things have been slow right now. Things have been kind of trending downwards, probably due to global issues throughout the world. But they usually swing. It's just a matter of time. And I've already got some that were down quite a bit, and they're already starting to hit this lower level, this bottom that I have here. They came down here, they lingered for a while, and now they're coming back up and they're about to hit that point. And once they hit that point, then I'm in profit all the way up until where I choose to take profit, okay? My spreadsheet. Here's my spreadsheet. You can see I've got a whole bunch of them that are clearing here. I've even got a few more over here. I got 2 more right there. And then over here, I've got 3 more that have cleared. I document everything. If anyone wants a copy of my spreadsheet, head over to Instagram, follow me over there, and then send me a DM with your email address, and then ask for a copy of the spreadsheet. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Oh, let me show you one last thing. Over here, you're thinking, okay, well, there's some cleared, but let me show you some more. Here's all my cleareds. Look at all those cleareds. You'll see some red in there. It's because I had stop losses. I don't do them anymore. And also I got nervous on some trades early on. I was jumping out, but refining my skills. But you can see I've got a ton that have cleared, way more profit than loss. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, add comments down below. Let me know what coins you're in. All right, bye-bye.